hello children. Now this is exponent and powers from VIVA Education Publication Textbook for class 7. This is the 5th chapter in that particular textbook, but the other boards also can view this questions because they are similar questions in all the ICSE, CBSE and SSC board. In all these books you will find the similar questions. So this is my part 2 of examples and exercise. I will be giving 2 more examples and then I will be completing 5 questions of exercise 5.1 from that textbook, and you will be able to get those next 5 questions in next part. So let me start with the examples. Now here we have to express the following numbers. So example 5, express following numbers and their prime factors, or you can say express the prime factors of the following numbers in exponential form. Express the prime factors of following numbers in exponential form or notation. So here the first example, first question, let us take 216. Now in 216 we have to factorize this first. It is divisible by 2. It is nothing but 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32, 2 to the 64, 2 to the 128. So this will not go with that. So first let's factorize this. 2 into 108, 2 into 2 into 54. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 27. And therefore these factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and that is nothing but 2 raised to the power, exponential notation I have told you. So 2 raised to the power of 3 into 3 raised to the power of 3. So this is the exponential notation of 216. First we have to factorize it, and the prime factors we have written here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. That is the answer. Now let us take another 3600. It's a big number, but you will be able to do. 2 multiplied by, now it is divisible by 18. So 2 into, it is divisible by 2. So when you divide it by 2, you get 1800. 2 multiplied by 2 again is 900. Then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 300. Then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, so this is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 2, and 2 when you divide, this is 150. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 5 times 2 into 75. And therefore 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied. Now this is divisible by 3. 325. And therefore 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. So here 2 multiplied by 1800, 2 multiplied by 2 900, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This is 450. I'm so sorry. This is 450. I'm so sorry. And then this will be 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 2 multiplied by 2. It will be 2 to the 2 to the and 2 5, 225. So this is 225, 4 times 225. Then it is divisible by 3. So 3 multiplied by 75, and therefore again this is multiplied by 3 multiplied by 25. So we get the final factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 5 times 4 to the 8, 3, so 4, 9. This is 3 only, and this is also, so here it will be 3, 3 into 75, and this will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 multiplied by 3 into 25. And therefore final will be 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, multiplied by 3 into 3, 2 times, and 5 into 5, 2 times. So when you write this in the exponential form, it is 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2. So this is the exponential form of 3600. So this is how we express the prime factors of following numbers in exponential notation or form. So this is one example. Then another example is about simplification. We have to simplify this particular and find its value. So simplify the following exponential notations given to you. Now we have done the exponential notations for the numbers. We have found out the prime factors and we have given the exponential notation of that. But now it is different. Now the exponential notations are given, so we have to simplify. Simplify and find the value. So here the first one is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. 2 multiplied by 10 raised to 4, we can express this in the product form as 2 into 10 into 10 into 10 4 times, and therefore 2 multiplied by 4 times means 10,000, and therefore it will be 20,000. So 20,000 is the answer for this particular simplification of the number. Now the second question is about 0 into 7 raised to 4. Now anything multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So straight away the answer is 0. And the third question here is to find out the simplest form of 3 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 4. So 3 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 4. Now 3 in raised to 3 means 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied by 10 4 times. So this answer is 27 4 times. So 27, 270, 2,000, 70,000 is the 2,70,000 is the answer. Then the fourth I will tell you because it is regarding the negative integer. So negative 3 raised to the power of 4, that will give you negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. Negative 3 into negative 3 is positive 9. Positive 9 into negative 3 is negative 27. And negative 27 into negative 3 is positive 81. So this is the answer of that. Then the fifth question. Fifth is about 3 raised to the power of 2 and negative 3. Negative 3 raised to the power of 3 or 2 into negative 2 raised to the power. Here you can see what happens. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. That will give you positive. But negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 2, that is 3 times, will give you, this is 9. 9 multiplied by negative 8. Because negative 2 into negative 2 is positive 4. Into negative 2 is negative 8. So this will give you negative 72. See the difference. Here, because the power is even number, we got positive number as the answer. But here there was even power and odd power. And the base is negative numbers. So whenever there is a base negative integer and if the power is odd number, then you will get the product negative. But when the negative integer raised to the power of even number, then you will get the answer always positive. So this is what you should remember. So points to be remembered are, one is any negative integer raised to the power of even number will give you a positive integer, whereas a negative integer raised to the power of odd number will give you a negative integer as the answer. So these two things you should remember. And anything raised to the power of 0 will always give you 1. So this you have to remember. 1 negative integer raised to the power even number is always positive. And negative integer raised to the power odd number is always negative. So I have told you this. And then any integer raised to the power of zero is always 1. So please remember these points so that in following exercise you will be able to write it very easy answers. So I am going to now start exercise 5.1 in this particular video. So let me start. So let's start exercise 3.1. So exercise 5.1. Sorry, again and again. I'm telling 3.1. Exercise 5.1 solution. So the first question. First question, find the value of. Find the value of A. 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and that is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. So this is the answer. Then the B question. 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5. Then C is 7 raised to 4. And D is 11 raised to 4. So this is what you have to do. So 3 5 times. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243. So this is the answer. So these are the answers. Then 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343, 343 7s are 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30, and 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is 24. So 2401 is the answer. Then 11 into 11 into 11 into 11, that is 11 11s are 121, 121 11s are 1331, and 1331 multiplied by 11, and that is nothing but 11 ones are 11, 11 3s are 33 plus 1 34, 11 3s are 33 plus 3 again 11 ones are 11, 1, 11 3s are 33 plus 1 34, 3 carried, 11 3s are 33 plus 3 36, 11 ones are 11 plus 3 14. So this is the answer of question D 14641. Yes, correct. Okay, so these are the answers of question number 1 of exercise 5.1. Now the second, write the following in exponential form. The second question is, write the following in the exponential form. Just now in the examples I told you, write the following in product form to exponential form. Write the following into exponential form. So product form to exponential form. So the A question is 7 into 7 into 5 times. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 5 times, that is equal to 7 raised to the power of 5. Then B, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 4 times. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. So 2 raised to power of 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4. This is the exponential form of this product form. Then the next is x multiplied by x 4 times, 3 times, and y multiplied by y 2 times, z multiplied by z 2 times. So x multiplied by x 3 times multiplied by y 2 times and z multiplied by z. That will give you x raised to the power of 3, y raised to the power of 2 and z raised to the power of 2. So this is the answer of the C question of second question. Now third question, this is express the following numbers using exponential notation. So that I told you just now the exercise in the exercise. So this is the third question I am going to do now, start, where we have to write down in the exponential notations the factors of that number. So write the following number, each of the following numbers. Write each of the following numbers, each of the following numbers into exponential notations. So first number is 12,500. Very big number. So you will get many factors. So 2 first you have to factorize. 2, 6, then 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 2 5s are and this. So 2 multiplied by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, no 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. So 2 multiplied by 2. Now this will go with 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 11. So it will go with 5 only. So 5 6 are 5 2s are 12, 5 5s are. So the exponential notation of this is 2 into 2 into 5. Now 625 is nothing but 25 square, and therefore you will get 5 4 times. So here the exponential notation for this number is 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 4. This is the answer. 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 4. See, 2 into 6250 is 12,500. 2 into 2, it is divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. So 3 1 2 5. Now 2 into 2, now it is divisible by not by 3. So it is divisible by 5 because it ends with 5. So 5 6 are 30, 1 carried, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 22. So this will give you 2 into 2 into 5. Now since 625 is 25 multiplied by 25. So this will be 5 into 5 and this will be 5 into 5. And therefore we have 5 times 5 and 5 times 5, 5 times 5. So 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 5 is the answer of this particular number, exponential form. And the next is very, very big, but it is very simple. 27,000. Now here it is divisible by 2 2 multiplied by 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 0. 2 multiplied by again 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Then this will give you 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by again 2, 2 3s are 6, then we have 2 3s are 6, then 2 3s are 6, 2 7s and 2 5s are. So 3 3 7 5. Then 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Now this is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 5, 18. So it is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So this is divisible by 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, yes, it is divisible by again 3. So 2 into 2 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are, so 375. So this is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is again divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are. So this will give you 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So the exponential form of this is 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 3. So this is the answer of P question of third. So now I will be doing the next question, that is negative 343. Negative 343. Negative 343. Very simple it is. Third question, that is C, negative 343. Now it is divisible by 3. Negative 3 multiplied by 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are, no, this is not divisible by 3, it is divisible directly by 7. 7 multiplied by negative 49. So it is negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7. So this is negative 7 raised to the power of 3 is the answer of this question. Then the D question, again there is a big number, 62,500. 62,500, it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So it is 31, 250. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So 2 multiplied by 2. Now this is 6 plus 1, 7 plus 7, 14. So it's not divisible by 3, so it's divisible by 5. 5 3s are, 5 zeros are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 3 0 2 5. So therefore, this particular number's factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 6 are 30, 2 zeros are, sorry, 5 6 are 30, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now here something is got wrong. 2 6 are 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 fives are and 2 zeros are. So did I copy correctly? Yes. Then we have 2 multiplied by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are here. 2 sixes are here. I got wrong. That's why I was getting wrong. So this is 5, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 7, which is not divisible by 3, so it is divisible. So 5 threes are, then 5 ones are, 5 twos are, so 3, 1, 2, 4. Yes, this is correct now. So 5 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 5 sixes are, 5 twos are, and 5 5. This is correct. So 5, 5 and 4 times, since it is divisible by 25. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 6 is the exponential notation of 62,500. Then the fourth question, compare the following. The fourth question is compare the following. Compare the following. Compare, the fourth question, compare the following. Now a question is 3 raised to 4 and 4 raised to 3. 3 raised to 4 and 4 raised to 3. 3 raised to 4 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That is equal to 81. And 4 raised to 3 is 4 fours are 16 fours are 64. So which is greater? Comparison means greater or smaller. So this is greater than 4 raised to 3. So this is the answer. Then B question. Here we have to compare negative 2 raised to 3 and 1 raised to 4. Negative 2 raised to 3 is nothing but negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2, which is negative 8. And 1 raised to 4 is 1 only. 1 into 4 times. Any time you multiply by 1, it is 1 only. Now since this is a negative integer and this is a positive integer, negative integer will always be smaller. And therefore the answer is negative 2 raised to 3 is smaller than 1. So comparison is negative 2 raised to 3 is smaller than 1 raised to the power of 4. Now the C question, 3 raised to 5 and 5 raised to 3. C question, 3 raised to 5 and 5 raised to 3. Now here again, 3 raised to 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 81 into 3, that is 243. And 5 raised to 3 means 125. So which is 3 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 3 is the answer. Then D question. Here D question is 2 raised to 6 and 6 raised to 3. 2 raised to 6 and 6 raised to 3. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 times, 6 times. So 2 twos are 4, twos are 8, twos are 16 to the 32 to the 64. And 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. That is 6 raised to 3. 6 is the 36 into 6. 6 is the 36. 6 2 is the 6 3 is the 18 plus 3 2 1 6. So 216 is greater than this, and therefore 2 raised to 6, the answer 2 raised to 6 is smaller than 6 raised to 3. This is the answer. So this is 4 questions are completed. Now the 5th question is evaluate the value of each of the first 5 natural numbers raised to the power of 4. Very simple. So 5th question, I will do it here. Very simple. Exercise 5.1 solution. So I am going to do this here. 5th question. Evaluate the following, evaluate the value of each of the first 5 natural numbers raised to the power of 4. Evaluate the following first five natural numbers to the power 4. So 1 raised to the 4 is 1. 2 raised to 4 means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 3 raised to 4 means 81. 4 raised to 4 means 4 4s are 16 4s are 64 4s are. So 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 20. So 256. And 5 raised to the power of 4 is 625. So this is the answers of 1 raised to 4 is 1, 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. 3 raised to 4 is 3 into 3 is 9 into 3 is 27 into 3, 81. 4 raised to the power of 4 means 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and 64 4s are 4 4s are 16, 1 4 6 are 24, 256, and 5 raised to the power of 4 is 625. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I want more and more subscribers. Please like my channel. View it completely. Don't view it very less. Watch fully and learn about the exponents and powers, my explanation and the solution of each question. Please view them. So this is my exponent and powers for class 7. For all the 3 boards can view this. So all the children should share my videos with your friends who are there in standard 7, as well as those children who are from other boards also can view my channel and learn about exponents and powers. I'll be giving you all the explanation. If you have any doubt, please comment and find out what is wrong or what is correct. Please, if I'm wrong somewhere, please feel free to tell me. So thank you, children. God bless you.